Hi, welcome to Kawatso. Learn anything in less than rupees 500 per month.
Hi, let's see what different topics we are going to learn in this course. The first session will be on Introduction to Logging Frameworks and why we need them. Then, we will pick the framework which comes with Java, that is, Java Util Logging, or commonly known as JUL. We will start with its intro and then move to learn handlers, which is quite essential. The third session will be on JUL formatters, which help us to format our logs in HTML or any other form. Next, there will be JUL filters, which help us to filter out the logs during execution. We will continue Java Util Logging in 5th session as well. All the terminologies learned during JUL will help us to understand other logging frameworks. In the 6th session, we will jump on another logging framework, which is Apache Log4j. In the next session, we'll continue same with Log4j loggers and config. Then there will be Log4j appenders and Log4j layout. Here we will complete the Log4j and then move to a very interesting API known as SLF4j. SLF4j is just an interface which helps us to switch to any logger implementation during runtime. Finally, we will move to our last framework, which is Logback, in 11th session, and then complete same with Logback config in last session. This will be our journey for learning all great Java logging frameworks.